Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. Today I'm here with a gallery wrap canvas which is 12 inch by 16 inch in length. So the color that I am going to use today is a color to go from Sherwin-Williams, and the color looks like this. I used it little for a couple of my posts, and I was really fascinated by how it turned out. So I'm going to do one more of this color and finish it up. The name of the color is or I can give you the number. The number of the color is 6692 AURIC. So that's the number of the color. So what I'm going to do is first introduce you to the colors that I have mixed. The first one is Toffee from this little piggy, and the next color that I have from this little piggy is Shangria. This color is from Quittagrown Crimson from Golden. Dax is in Purple from Triad. Iridescent Pale Gold from Triad. And I also have Teal from Triad. You can buy all these colors from Fluid Art Company. They carry all these colors, and I must mention that their customer service is phenomenal. My cell activator is Carbon Black from Amsterdam mixed with Australian Floetrol. So first I'm going to layer my paint. I'm starting with teal. Shangria. Toffee. Quintagon Crimson. I need some water into this. Let me show you close up. So here my goal was to try for Dutch pour with the bloom recipe. One thing I notice is like Dutch pour takes a lot of time, lot of blowing, precise blowing, which sometimes some of my colors, if you can see here, it kind of broke down, so that happened here and there. But overall the composition was beautiful, and this is something I need to work on to make sure that my colors don't blend away or break down my paints. So thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, bye.